3-Day Super Soup Restart Cleanse Plan. Soup is an easy and delicious way to build up your body's immunity, eat more vegetables, and even lose weight. It can be a better alternative to juicing because the soups can be enjoyed either hot or cold, retain more fiber from vegetables and other ingredients, and are better for blood sugar balance. Follow these instructions to get started on the 3-day plan. The rules of the cleanse. On the 3-day cleanse plan, you will have 5 soups a day, typically a breakfast soup, a snack soup, a lunch soup, another midday snack soup, and a dinner soup. The soups are beginner-friendly and can all be made in one pot with detoxifying ingredients. There is no calorie counting involved, so you are free to have unlimited soup per meal until you're satisfied. Begin with an oatmeal berry breakfast soup. Similar to overnight oatmeal, this oatmeal soup features dry steel-cut oats, frozen berries, and spices such as cinnamon. It's easy to prepare and enjoy and is the first of your 5 bowls of soup on each day of the soup cleanse. Power up with a Warrior Veggie Soup for lunch. The Warrior Soup is packed with legumes or bulbous herbs, such as garlic, and lots of vegetables. A bowl of this fortifying soup gives you essential nutrients like vitamin K that you need for lasting energy throughout the afternoon. Snack on Beeler broth. Named after Dr. Henry G. Beeler, the author of Food is Your Best Medicine, Beeler's broth features green vegetables such as celery, parsley, string beans, and zucchini. When pureed into soup with coconut oil, it offers vitamins and minerals such as potassium to keep your heart healthy. Whether you prefer snacking on the soup in the morning or afternoon, you can enjoy Beeler's broth up to 2 times a day in this 3-day soup cleanse. Rest and restore with chicken soup for dinner. Finish your day with a hearty chicken soup. Prepare the soup in a slow cooker the night before you want to have it or in the morning before your workday and come home to a warm and comforting bowl of lean protein, nutritious vegetables, and flavorful spices. Bonus: add super spices to your soups. Legumes such as chives, garlic, and leek, along with spices such as paprika and ginger, are beneficial flavor boosters that add a big punch to the nutritional value of your soups. Garlic contains allicin, which promotes a healthy immune system, while paprika is a great source of vitamin A, necessary for eye and skin health. Finally, ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory effects and can alleviate any symptoms such as nausea.